Hi, this is Dan from Magic Pachinko Restorations. This video is for a customer to show them what we did to the machine and how to set it up. This machine came to me built into this custom case, which was nicely done. I had to remove this board and this board to be able to get the Pachinko out to do my thing. So these have been put back, but they're only held in by the original finishing nails. Over time, these old glue joints just let go, so you may want to put a little bit of glue up in those joints once you get it back where you want it. So the entire machine has been restored completely. That means everything that you can see both on the front and the back when I open it up has been taken off the machine, thoroughly cleaned. All of the plastic parts get cleaned, and then a coat of wax gets put on them. All of the brass gets tumbled or polished to bring back the brilliance again. All of the steel parts get the rust taken off, and all of the wood on the board itself got sanded down and polyurethane. So you can see the nails are nice and shiny. These were actually taken out. Everything was taken off. This is a new play field. It's a copy of the original, but it's nice and bright with colors. It's clean, so on and so forth. All the nails get put back in. The nails get checked to make sure the balls drop through like they should. So it's certainly pretty from this side, and then I'm going to open it now and show you the inside of the machine and how to set it up. So obviously when this is sitting on I'm assuming a table or something and screwed to the wall, you won't have to do this, with it. But this is how you're going to set it up. Up here is the upper hopper. So you'll take the bulk of however many Pachinko balls you have, and you're going to place them in the upper hopper. Now there's two things you need to check. And on your machine, there's a little paper reminder here for one thing you need to check, and down here for a second thing you're going to check. First thing you need to check is to make sure that this is what's called the ball dump release, and there's a lever right here, and you want to push it to the right, and it will latch in here. And what that does is when the balls come in, they go around and they'll continue into the jackpot chamber. If this is open, then the balls that are already in here will then drop out of the machine. It's for maintenance. So typically you aren't going to use this unless you decide to take the balls out of the machine. So just because shipping, things bounce around, make sure this is over and latched. That's the proper position. The second thing you want to do is down here, and this is what's called the seesaw chamber. It's the white piece of plastic that's in here. Right now it's on an angle like this. That's the way you want it to be. So if it's like this, that's not the way it should be. And that's why this little post is here, this little push, and you just push up and it will take the seesaw and tip it up the way it's supposed to be. So those are the two things you check before you do anything else. Then you're going to take, again, the bulk of your Pachinko balls and place them in the upper hopper. Now before we do that, you need to plug the machine in, and you're going to plug in the wall wart. That's as far as it goes through. Okay. On the back side is a little power transformer that goes through, and you're just going to plug it into house current. And when you do that, is it plugged in over there? Technical difficulties. The light over here will come on because there are no Pachinko balls in the hopper, and that's controlled right here with this switch. When there are balls in here, the weight of the balls pushes down on this and takes the pressure off the switch. The light will go off. When there's no balls or not enough balls, this light will come on. So when you see the red light on the other side come on and stay on, you know you need to add Pachinko balls. So I need to get this level again, but when I put these in, the balls will fill this, push down on this, take the weight off of this so your light's not on anymore, come around and fill the jackpot chamber, and our seesaw is correct. So right now the machine is ready to go to play. So we'll close it back up, and then you're going to take however many pachinko balls you have left and place them in the upper hopper. Now the first actuation of the launch ramp will not launch a ball. It takes one cycle to get a ball inside the machine, and then you're going to launch, and it will launch a ball. And there you go. I got lucky. I got a ball in the first time. When a ball goes into either the tulips or the pay pockets, the jackpot will cycle. It'll drop out 14 balls, and it will light up the center attraction. There's 2 light bulbs in there, and they'll light up. So let me see if I get lucky again here.
Oop, this just jumped.
We'll just launch some balls there. Okay. So by putting it in here, it went down through, it paid, and it also opened this tulip. So that's the way it's set internally. Put it in there. So I can get it to launch over here. Now it's obviously easier to get it in an open tulip than it is a closed one. There we go. So that's the way it works. Now there's really no skill to this. It's all just hit and miss. But if I press all the way down and let go, it tends to shoot the ball all the way over to the bumper. If I press it down, say halfway, it will tend to stay on the left side. So there's a little bit of finessing you can do with the launch, but that's about it. It's just pretty much the nature of how the balls drop through the machine. So that's it in a nutshell. It works. Everything is the way it should. It should be fine for many years to come. If anything gets messed up during shipping, then by all means we'll get together and we can get it straightened out. But I hope you enjoy it. I hope you're happy with it. Thank you.